Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. The text you provided doesn't seem to contain any mathematical symbols or formulas. However, I can convert it into a format suitable for text-to-speech (TTS) systems. In the article titled Hoover's Hotels, the author uses the metaphor, gray-black human snake. What does this metaphor describe? Is it none of these is true, or is it a breadline? Could it be automobiles in line for gas during the 1930s shortage? Or is it people eagerly waiting to hear the latest news on the stock market? Or maybe, want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.